Welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find a particular solution to a differential equation in initial value problem. So you're given that the differential equation is y prime plus 10y equals 0, and the general solution to the differential equation is y equals c, where c is a constant and e to the minus 10x. And you're also given that the initial condition is when y equals 5 when x equals 0. Notice that to solve a particular solution, you gotta notice that how many constants there are on the general solution. For every constant there has to be a condition. How many constants we have here? We have one constant. That means that we must have one initial condition, and which is here, this one. Okay. So to prove that this is the general solution to this differential equation, we can prove it, because y prime is equal to minus 10 c e to the minus 10x, and y is like that. So now if we plug it into the differential equation, we have negative 10 c e 10x plus 10 times c e to the minus 10x. If you notice, this is equal to 0, which agrees with what we have here. So this checks out. So this is indeed the general solution to this differential equation. Now, to find a particular solution, what they're telling you is that we gotta find the value of the constant whenever we have an initial condition. So the way we do it, because we're given y and x, we need to plug it into the general solution. So phi equals c e minus 10 times 0. So this becomes 1. So c is equal to 5. That means that our particular solution is going to be equal to phi e to the minus 10x. This would be our answer, but we need to prove it. The way we prove it is as follows, just like the general solution. So we are given y equals phi e to the negative 10x. So now we plug it in here, and we take the derivative of the particular solution. So the derivative is y prime. That's going to equal to negative 10 times phi. That would be negative 50 e 10x, and then plus phi times 10. That's 50 e negative 10x, and that's equal to 0. And that proves our particular solution, which is this one here. So we indeed have a particular solution given this initial condition, so this one is called a particular solution because we solve for a particular value of the constant. So this is called a particular solution. Thank you very much. That's all I wanted to teach you on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, please.